Everyone's heard of Area 51, but the world's most secretive bases are far more enigmatic, buried under mountains, hidden beneath oceans, or tucked away in foreign lands. These shadowy facilities guard secrets that could rewrite history, whether it's nuclear survival plans, cutting-edge surveillance, or whispers of extraterrestrial tech. From Russia's impenetrable bunkers to America's doomsday fortresses, here are the top 5 most secret bases on Earth, cloaked in mystery and guarded by silence. 1. Mount Yamantau, Russia. Deep in Russia's Ural Mountains lies Mount Yamantau, a place so secretive that even satellite images seem to conspire against prying eyes. This massive underground complex, rumored to span hundreds of square miles, is believed to be Russia's ultimate doomsday bunker. Built during the Cold War, its official purpose remains a state secret, with vague government claims of it being a mining site or storage facility. But the scale, miles of tunnels guarded by elite troops, suggests something far grander. Speculation points to Yamantau as a continuity of government site, designed to house Russia's leadership in a nuclear war. Some estimate it could shelter tens of thousands, complete with self-sustaining systems. Construction began in the 1970s, and reports of heavy activity persisted even after the Soviet Union's collapse. In the 1990s, U.S. intelligence raised alarms about its size, but Russia's response was dismissive, fueling theories of hidden weapons programs or even biological research. The base's isolation in the Urals, coupled with restricted airspace and persistent cloud cover and satellite imagery, keeps it shrouded. Workers reportedly live in nearby closed cities, cut off from the world. Mount Yamantau isn't just a base, it's a fortress of secrets, built to outlast the apocalypse itself. 2. Dulce Base, New Mexico. U.S. Dulce Base is the stuff of nightmares, a shadowy legend that blurs the line between conspiracy and reality. Located beneath Archuleta Mesa in rural New Mexico, this alleged underground facility is said to house joint human-alien experiments, advanced technology, and even genetic engineering. Officially, Dulce Base doesn't exist. No government records confirm it. Yet whistleblowers, local rumors, and strange sightings keep its myth alive. The story began in the 1970s when Paul Benowitz, a businessman, claimed to intercept signals from an underground base near Dulce. He alleged it was a hub for extraterrestrial activity, backed by military insiders. Others, like former engineer Philip Schneider, claimed to have worked there, describing vast subterranean levels filled with alien tech and human-alien hybrids. While these accounts are unverified and heavily debated, the area's unusual seismic activity and restricted access fuel speculation. Locals report strange lights and cattle mutilations, adding to the eerie lore. Whether Dulce is a real base or a product of Cold War paranoia, its grip on the public imagination is undeniable. It's the ultimate secret base, because if it exists, it's hidden in plain sight under the noses of a small desert town. 3. Kapustin Yar, Russia. If Area 51 is America's UFO hub, Kapustin Yar is Russia's. Tucked away in the desolate steppes of southern Russia, this sprawling complex was the Soviet Union's answer to advanced weapons testing and, some say, extraterrestrial research. Founded in 1946 to develop rockets, Kapustin Yar became a cornerstone of the Soviet space and missile programs, launching the first Soviet ballistic missiles and early satellites. But its secrecy goes beyond rockets. Declassified documents and defectors' accounts hint at high-tech experiments, including alleged UFO crash retrievals. In 1989, a supposed KGB report detailed a 1948 incident where a flying saucer was recovered and studied at Kapustin Yar. While unconfirmed, the base's role in testing cutting-edge weaponry, like hypersonic missiles and anti-satellite systems, is well documented. Its remote location and heavy security make it a black box even today. During the Cold War, Kapustin Yar was so secretive that Western intelligence struggled to map it. Modern satellite imagery shows sprawling test ranges and underground facilities, but Russia keeps its activities tightly guarded. Kapustin Yar is where science fiction meets military might, a place where rockets soared and perhaps stranger things were uncovered. 4. Pine Gap, Australia. In the heart of Australia's outback, far from any city, lies Pine Gap, a joint U.S.-Australian facility that's one of the world's most critical surveillance hubs. Run by the CIA NSA and Australian intelligence, Pine Gap is a nerve center for signals intelligence, intercepting communications across Asia and beyond. Its massive satellite dishes, hidden in plain sight, monitor everything from missile launches to phone calls, making it a linchpin in global espionage. Established in 1967, Pine Gap's remote location near Alice Springs ensures isolation. Its official role is space research, but it's widely known to support U.S. drone strikes, cyber operations, and nuclear early warning systems. During the Cold War, it tracked Soviet missiles. Today, it's pivotal in monitoring China and North Korea. The base's secrecy is so intense that even Australian parliamentarians have limited access. Only a select few know its full scope. Pine Gap's importance makes it a target for controversy. Protests over its role in U.S. military operations are common, and leaks, like those from Edward Snowden, revealed its vast reach. This desert outpost isn't just a base, it's the eyes and ears of global power, hidden behind the guise of a sleepy outback facility. 5. Cheyenne Mountain Complex, Colorado, USA. Buried beneath 2,000 feet of solid granite in Colorado's Rocky Mountains, the Cheyenne Mountain Complex is one of the most secure and impenetrable facilities ever built. Constructed during the height of the Cold War in the 1960s by NORAD, North American Aerospace Defense Command, it was designed to survive everything from direct nuclear strikes to electromagnetic pulses, allowing military leaders to maintain command and control during a global catastrophe. Far more than just a bunker, Cheyenne Mountain is a fully operational underground city. It features 25-ton blast doors, advanced air filtration systems to block out biological and chemical threats, and enough food, water, and medical supplies to support over 800 personnel for months without outside contact. Its rugged granite casing acts as a natural fortress, shielding against both physical and electronic attacks. Originally the heart of America's nuclear response strategy, the facility has since evolved. Today it plays a vital role in monitoring airspace, missile threats, space debris, and even potential extraterrestrial activity through U.S. Space Force operations. Its advanced radar systems and classified technologies remain on constant alert. Though no longer in the headlines, Cheyenne Mountain's mission continues. In a world of emerging global threats, from hypersonic weapons to asteroid collisions, it stands as the last line of defense, a high-tech sanctuary built for survival when all else fails. Why these bases are so secret? These bases aren't just hidden, they're engineered to defy discovery. Mount Yamantau's mountain fortress could outlast the end of the world. Dulce Base, real or not, thrives on the paranoia of alien secrets. Kapustin Yar blends Cold War rocket science with UFO lore. Pine Gap listens to the world's whispers from a desert nowhere. And Cheyenne Mountain watches the skies, ready for doomsday. Each is a puzzle piece in a global game of power, surveillance, and survival.